Hi everyone, my name is Ana Cabrera and now I talking about India. Welcome to India. The topics are education, economic, religion, music, clothing, food, and curiosity about India. Ubication. India is a country in South Asia. It's the second most populous country, the seventh largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world. India has been a federal republic since 1950, governed in a democratic parliamentary system. It is a pluralistic, multilingual, and multi-ethnic society. India is a federal union comprising 28 states and 8 union territories. And her capital is New Delhi. About the economic, this country is the world's largest producer of milk, with the largest population of cattle. In 20, in 2080, nearly 18% of India's milk was sourced from small forests with herd size between 1 and 2. The milk harvested by hand milking. A farmer in northwestern Karnataka plowed his field with a tractor even as another in a field beyond does the same, with a pair of oxen. In 2018, 44% of Indians as a total workforce was employed in agriculture. The religions in India had the largest number of followers was Hinduism, Islam, the remaining were Christianity, Sikh, Buddhism, Jainism, and others. About the music, Indian music runs over various traditions and regional styles. Classical music encompasses two genres and they various folds of shots. Regionally popular sports include filming and folk music. The symphony tradition of the both is a well-known for of the latter. Indian dance also features diverse folk and classical forms. You can see you can see this music and this dance in a movies of Bollywood. About the clothing, the most widely worn traditional dress in India for both women and men from ancient times until the advent of modern times was adopted. The women usually use the sari. This is a single loose piece of cloth. For men, a similar bull shorter than the sari is the dhoti. About the food, the traditional Indian food is built from the same flavor foundations. The Indian dishes most popular are aloo gobi, beef, crisp golden, potatoes and cauliflower. A chana masala is a chips pig stew. A chicken tikka masala is a chicken in a creamy masala sauce. And crisp paparan is an Indian flatbread. The common ingredients and flour in the Indian cuisine are chili peppers, mustard seeds, cumin, fennel, cardamom, cinnamon, coriander, turmeric, masala, and others. The typical dish of India is a tandoori chicken, which is chicken cooked with the air tandoori and is served with a delicious salad. Another very typical food is an naan bread that is used to collect the starch of vegetables from the dishes. About the curiosities, I had three curiosities about the India. The first is the Tal Mahal. The Tal Mahal contains a beautiful love story where a king built a palace for his beloved wife when she is alive. The second curiosity is in the Indian, the food is enjoyed with your hands because they say that food is better enjoyed that way, very different than other country. And the second curiosity is the cows are sacred, and they even a festival where people put necklaces with flowers and fainted with the best grass. You can eat cows in India because in the India the cows are semi-dioses. So thank you very much for watching and see you and visit India.